What if there was no ChatGPT? How would your life look like?
To be honest, if ChatGPT no dey this, many things we don't find self because overthinking want to like take over.
Funny how ChatGPT understand any language, like any. So Yoruba sí, ó máa dá ẹ lóhùn. So English sí, ó máa dá ẹ lóhùn. Anything. So ChatGPT has really helped me in my education, business, personal life. It has really helped me.
Only use AI for research pertaining to presentation and assignments. But I've seen people that during exams, they first send all their PDF to AI to help them to summarize it and read it. I don't think it's really that good. Because there are some things that the AI are going to summarizing means they are going to remove what they feel is not necessary. But to you it might be necessary. To the AI it might not be.
You can't get results when there is nothing to process. If you eventually get a certification for something you don't know, how would you defend it?
That's true though.